Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to your tutorial on how to locate and use Book Creator for our Wit and Wisdom writing task. So today, this is just going to be a chance for you to explore Book Creator, to create a fabulous book on your own, and then tomorrow, we will be using our writing from today to create a book about the lesson of Johnny Appleseed. So go ahead and sit tight. Keep your eyes open on how to find Book Creator, and let's do some exploring. All right, so I am on my homepage for Google, and I'm going to go to my bookmarks, and I'm going to look for Clever. So here is Clever. All right, and it has already logged me in, but remember to log into Clever, you will use your student email and your password that you use to get into your computer every day. So once you get logged into Clever, you're going to go to your home screen and you are going to find the Book Creator app. And you'll see it's a rainbow square and it has the shape of a book and some scissors. You are going to click on that. And it's going to take you to our Book Creator homepage. So right now I have a book that is already started, and my book is called The Lesson from the Story of Johnny Appleseed. Now you guys are going to add your own book. So to add your own book, you're going to click the new book. Okay, and then you are going to choose from these three options of what book shape you want. So I'm going to choose the square. So this is our cover page. This is where we have the title of our book. So I am going to go to this plus sign up here, and I am going to add text. So for me, I'm just going to show you an example using the story of Johnny Appleseed. So I'm going to say the lesson from the story of Johnny Appleseed. All right, and the story of Johnny Appleseed is the name of a book, so I'm going to put it underline. All right, so there is my title. Now, this is okay if you want to leave it like this, but if you want to explore making the color different or the font different or the size different, you can go to this little I. So when you go to this I, you can change the size. You can change what the words look like. So, ooh, I really like that one. And I can go back and I can change the color. So I'm going to change it to red. So the lesson from the story of Johnny Appleseed. I really like that cover. So now I think I'm going to add a drawing of an apple. So I'm going to click on the pen and I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to click this thing called Auto Draw. Now watch what this does. Okay, so I'm going to make the shape of an apple. And you'll see at the top, it'll give you options for what you were trying to draw. So I was trying to draw an apple. So I'm going to have an apple right there. So now I can go back and I can fill in the color of my apple. So I can color that in. I'm going to have to be really careful to color that in. So I can come back and finish that detail. All right, so I'm not done with this, but I'm going to come back to it. Although I think, perfect. I can use that little paint bucket to fill in the color. So to fill in the color for something, you can click on that paint bucket. All right, so I am done with my cover page. I'm going to click the next arrow for my second page. So this page is where when we are writing, so when you're creating your own story, you can do whatever you want with this. But when we're doing our writing task, that second page is going to be our topic statement. So I'm going to grab the text box and I'm going to say the story of Johnny Appleseed teaches us to be kind and generous towards others. All right, so there is my first sentence, and I can move this around. I can move it to the middle. I can move it to the bottom. I'm going to keep it at the bottom, and I am going to change the size. Whoa. All right, I love that. And I want to let's use this one. Perfect. Okay, and I'm going to change the color to green. Awesome. So now I have my first sentence. Now I can add illustrations or pictures. So I'm going to go to the pen again, and I am going to draw a picture of Johnny Appleseed. I'm going to try my best. Oh. Let's see. Do we have any options yet? Not quite. So I'm going to draw a little face. Let's see. I can draw a shirt. Miss Mason's drawing skills is awesome. All right, so sometimes this auto draw feature won't bring up exactly what you're looking for, so you'll just have to get creative. So I'm going to draw Johnny's bag, and I can color that in, and I'm going to draw the pan on his head. All right, and I'm going to draw an apple in his hand too. All right, so this is just a rough drawing, but you can take your time with this. You can add background, you can add whatever you want to your writing, okay? So there is my topic statement. Voila. So I could add a tree to the background. I could add a covered wagon that the pioneers were traveling in. I could draw some pioneers. This is your space to be creative. All right, so there is my topic statement. Now I'm going to go into the evidence. So I am going to go back to the plus sign. I'm going to, I don't want that. I want the text box. So I'm going to go to the text and I'm going to say first, Johnny helped the pioneers plant apple trees and build homes. So that was an example of how Johnny Appleseed was kind and generous. So I'm going to be done with that, and I'm going to put it at the bottom again. I'm going to go to that little eye. I'm going to change the size. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And you can use a different font if you want to. So let's say, like this one. Cool. All right, and I'm going to keep that black. So that is page number 3. That's our first page of evidence. Our first page was our cover. Our second page was our topic statement. And our third page is our first piece of evidence. What do you think is going to be the next page? Our second piece of evidence. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to add the text. Then, or I could say next, Johnny was kind towards animals and played with them, right? So we learn, or I can be very topic specific. And we could say, and played with bear cubs on his journey. So for my illustration, I would probably put another picture of Johnny Appleseed, and I could draw some animals. So let's say I want to draw some animals. I'm going to go to the auto draw, and okay. So let's think. What could I make out of this? All right. And if I need to erase, I can touch that. There we go. All right, let's try this again. All right, so let's say I'm going to make a bear. This is my bear cub. All right, so nothing yet. Oh, look, a bear. So I could add the bear and I could add Johnny Appleseed too. I could draw I'm going to try to draw a wolf. Let's see if it picks up. Let's see. Oh, he was kind towards all animals. So I could draw a picture of a rabbit on here. So again, this is you exploring how to use illustrations to support your writing. All right. So then I'm done with page 4. What is page 5 going to have? Our final piece of evidence. So I'm going to use, I don't need to use a pen. I need to use a text box. And I'm going to say, finally, Johnny Appleseed gave the Indians herbs and seeds to use for medicine. Or I could also talk about how he tried to make peace between the Indians and the pioneers. So there's my third piece of evidence. So then again, with our illustration, we would probably have a picture of Johnny Appleseed and an Indian. And our final page is going to be our conclusion. So I could say, Johnny Appleseed teaches us to be kind and generous to everyone. So my conclusion is still kind of the same as my topic statement, but I use some different words. Remember, we want that conclusion to restate what the whole writing was about. And so I'm done with that. And I'm going to put this one in the middle this time. I'm going to make this a little bigger. Woo! And do this font, and we'll do the color purple. All right, and I can add an illustration if I want to. All right, Smarties, so that is what our writing activity is going to look like on Book Creator. Today, all I want you to do is explore, look at the different tools. I didn't even look at some of the tools. So you might want to put a recording in there. You might want to add shapes. You might want to look up pictures on here. Oh my goodness, there's so many options. But remember, have fun with this. This is an opportunity for you to show your creativity. All right, Smarties, that is it for this tutorial. Remember to keep that growth mindset. Good learners do hard things, and I'll see you very soon with another learning activity. Happy learning, Smarties.